So you're thinking about starting a YouTube channel? Maybe you want to share your gaming skills, promote a business, voice your opinions, or just have fun. Whatever the reason, one thing's for sure. You need to know the basics of uploading and optimizing videos. But let's be real. With so many self-proclaimed YouTube gurus out there, how do you even know where to start? After drowning in hours of YouTube videos and reading endless blogs, I realized it all boils down to one thing. You've got to pick a method and actually try it. It's like learning to bake. You can read every recipe and watch every cooking show, but at some point, you have to get in the kitchen and crack some eggs. That's when I decided to try Matt Parr's Tube Mastery and Monetization course. Why Matt? Honestly, he's got thousands of views, so I took a chance. I'll be upfront. The course isn't exactly cheap, but hey, what good is your money if you don't use it to invest in yourself? Besides, learning a skill like this is invaluable if you're serious about creating content. Matt's course walks you through everything, from setting up your channel to optimizing it for monetization. He even focuses on creating faceless channels, meaning you don't have to be on camera if you don't want to. He shows you how to use AI tools to write scripts and create videos using Pictory AI, which is perfect for people like me who aren't exactly camera ready. So does it work? Well, this is the very first video I created after taking Matt's course. Now I'll admit my video isn't going to win any awards. I left the watermark on it because I used the free trial of Pictory AI. But the point is, I made this video with zero prior experience. The course gave me the tools and confidence to get started. Now, I'm not saying you'll get a gold play button overnight. Success on YouTube takes time, consistency, and creativity. But if you're willing to put in the work, Matt's course will give you a solid foundation. He shows you how to set up your channel, create content, and optimize it for growth. It's all about taking what you learn and applying it. One thing I've learned is that starting is the hardest part. There's no magic shortcut to success, but once you get going, it gets easier. You build confidence with each video you upload. You learn from your mistakes and improve over time. And look, I get it. If you're like me, you've probably thought about starting a YouTube channel for a while, but kept putting it off. Maybe you told yourself you didn't have the right gear, or that your content wouldn't be good enough. I'm here to tell you that's just fear talking. You don't need a fancy camera or a perfect script to get started. You just need to start. If you're ready to take that first step, I genuinely recommend checking out Matt Parr's Tube Mastery and Monetization course. Click the link in the description to get started. Who knows? Your first video might just be the start of something incredible.